So does your chair allow you to change your position of your body in different
Yes.
ways? Could you maybe demonstrate those for us and tell us what you use
Sure.
them for?
I'll show you the one I go down to the floor.
The seat elevation, yes.
Pardon me? It's for me to get out and start walking.
Okay,
So I get out and walk,
perfect.
and I go up,
See how high you can go.
right, and it brings me to the bank. We're going to the bank, the
Yes.
counter.
To the teller counter.
Yeah.
Good, great, thank you. Do you have any other positions that you can show me?
Yeah. Oops. Tilt.
Just tilt. And when tilting, of course, you want to make sure we're not too close to anything that could get bumped
Right.
into at the back, but you're well enough forward, that's not so much of an issue, but you could have a table in front of you when you step
Right.
up, and you
I
might
won't.
hurt your
Yeah.
legs
Yeah.
doing that. And that's as far as it goes.
No, it goes pretty bad.
Oh, good. And then back to normal. And you have a recline function as well.
Pardon me?
Recline. Where
That's what I just
that's
showed.
the tilt, but not where the backrest goes back, but your legs stay
No.
where they are. No, okay. So the tilt and the elevation are the two. Great. What do you use the tilt for mostly?
To get off of my back side.
So to relieve the weight from your sitting
Yeah.
surfaces. Yeah. Very good. Thank you.